Hello. So welcome to the second episode of Top Down Scroller. Today we are enhancing the top down scroller game we made earlier. Now we will add a world generation. So to add world generation, first we will put the basic respawn point of the game, that is x0 and y0. Also you can use this pick random, and this will be more like a world generator. So our ground is 790 into 532. Length into breadth is 790 and breadth is 532. So 0 to 790. Or I will just pick 0 to 60 and put here also same. Here also, here when green flag clicked, pick random 1 to 60. 1 to 60. 1 to 60, and here also 1 to 60. So here you can see we have spawned here. So it is generating in a different, but the screen is not generating. So we will do what? We will do like -60 and now we will see. Here you can see it has gone here. If I again do, here is a world generation system. So it is just picking a number that is middle in this 1 to -60. Now we will make our player. So this was a demo player, so we will add a player. You can choose a player of your choice because Scratch has already had top down players. Top down players. So you can choose from that. Scratch already consists of top down players. So you can choose a top down player or make a top down player. So I will enhance this player. So here you can see I have made a hand for the player. And for the walking sound, we will record a sound. We can record a sound. So I will create some walking noises. Save this. Make softer, more softer, more softer. And when our player walks, we will do play sound, play sound, play sound, play sound, and play sound. And now when our player moves, it will make a play sound. But the problem is the player is not so moving fast. So we can fix that problem by putting it here when the thing has broadcasted. Now if we do, it has become a little faster. So we will find out a way in the next episode. So that's all for today. So if you like the video, leave a like. And here is the first episode card you will see above. So that's all for today. Bye.